Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video, guys. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great ingredient that helps you to remove tartar, plaque from your teeth. It helps to whiten up your teeth a whole lot and it gives you a fresher breath. Okay, so if you're actually having difficulty, if you're actually having bad breath, or your teeth is actually not really white, guys, you are in the right video, because you are going to be whitening up those teeth, and with a very simple home remedy, and it actually going to help you increase your smile. So this I have here is salt. Okay, this is it. Why we need salt in this ingredient is so that it could kill all of the bacteria in your gum, and it will remove cavity. It will actually kill any germs that is actually causing cavity in your teeth. Okay, that's why we need to use salt, and we're actually not going to be taking too much of salt, just a little pinch of salt here. This is it. That is basically what we need. Okay, just a little. Do not go and pack salt, just a little pinch of salt is perfect. And then also we're equally going to be making use of Colgate. Now mixing Colgate with other ingredients in this remedy is going to be working really fine. It's going to help so much to whiten up your teeth and make your teeth stay whiter. Yeah, so now you're gonna press in your Colgate, and then I'm gonna blend it. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be making use of lemon. Now lemon helps your teeth stay whiter and it gives you this fresher breath. But when you're actually mixing lemon and salt, make sure that it's something you're actually not using every day. Okay, since I have a half cut of my lemon in here, I'm gonna be squeezing a good quantity of lemon juice into this mix. Okay, so this is it. Alright guys, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing to use is banana peel. Okay, now have you actually tried using banana peel on your teeth before? Okay, and how has it been if you have tried? And if you've not tried, you need to give this a try. Okay, you need to give this a go, because it's actually going to help you so much to whiten up your teeth and make your teeth stay whiter. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna be extracting the banana peel. Alright guys, so after doing that, this is my banana peel, and I'm going to be mashing it. Now this is perfect. I'm going to be mixing this all up, and this is how it's going to be looking like. Okay, okay, so this paste is good and it's very excellent for your dental plaque and dental tartar. Okay guys, so here is my tartar teeth plaque and a brown teeth remedy, and what you're going to do is that you're going to be needing a brush that would actually aid in removing all of those things from your teeth. Now if you're using this particular ingredient, you can use it at least 2 to 3 times in a week, okay, if not 4. It's very perfect. All of the ingredients are very mild for your teeth and for your enamel. Okay, so what you do now is that you're going to grab your brush and then you're going to grab your solution. So you're going to grab your solution and then you're going to use that to brush your teeth in an up and down direction. Okay, okay, so you brush the inner part of your teeth. This is going to taste sweet and salty. So there's a mirror here that I'm actually looking at, so do not mind. Guys, this is great. This is actually going to help to whiten your teeth a whole lot. Look at my teeth. Okay guys, so what you need to do is that you would have to also brush your tongue. That is actually very important. You brush your tongue in a circular motion, okay? That way all of the dirt will go off. Your mouth is not going to stink, your mouth is not going to smell, okay? Your breath is not going to be offensive, and your plaque, your tartar, and your brown teeth is going to be gone, okay? At least 3 times in a week or 4 times in a week will be better, and you are going to be having a great and magnificent result. All right guys, so you go give this a go. Now you can also store it if you want to store it. You can store it in the refrigerator for that 3 days, you know, use it every day, and then your brown teeth will get whiter. Okay guys, so that's it. I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and bye.